This is Ashaba Nasser from Digital Age, Uganda. I welcome you all to our third lecture. In the first and second lecture, we looked at how you can create your own apps using the Glide apps. Thanks, people tried out and it worked out. They're happy for that. So today, let's look at a different thing. Let's learn how to create your website. .co. So if you want to create your website, first of all you have to consider the type of website that you're going to create. If it is a business website, if it is a school website, whichever kind of website that you're going to create, you need to know the type of the design you're going to use. So the first step to consider if you want to create a website, you need to have data that you're going to include in that website. To make work easier, you can save the data in a folder and then save it where you can easily get it. So for this case, in today's lecture, we're going to create a website on Digital example. Digital EH is an organization that connects actually communities and societies together and then promotes unity amongst all actually communities across the globe. So what we're going to look at is what I've done first is to get the data concerning actually cultures and societies, and I've saved it in a folder on my desktop here called Digital EH. Hope you can all see it down here. So when I open this is what you see. This is the data I've got, and I'm going to use it in a website that we are going to create as you follow the steps. So having got our data and saved it in a folder, the next step is to come to our web browser, Google Chrome here. Open it up, then come on the search bar and then type card.co and then search. So this is on your screen. So the next thing you do is to choose a starting point. You select choose a starting point and click there. And it will automatically what they call a dashboard. So all different themes, different designs, different templates that you can use to create the website based on how you want your website to appear, the design of the website. These are all different templates that you can use any. So for my case, let me select this one. You just come at the theme you want to click on select. This is the theme we have selected. This is how it appears. These are sections. I would have contact. So it looks like Samantha Carter. This is where the name of the website has to be. So having seen all this, we need to add at least a name of the company of the website for. You come and double click on this name. This is where the title has to appear. Samantha Carter. Just double click there. This is what will appear on your left corner when you click on this. This is what will appear. So let me type in the name of my site, Digital EH. Uganda. Yeah, I can decide to change the font. I can decide to make it bold. In order to make it bold, these symbols on the sides, double stars on the sides, so it becomes bold automatically. Then if you want, you come and click here at this brush, it will bring appearance. You click there, you can select the color of your title. You can select its color. You can select blue. Yes, like this, it looks nice. Continue scrolling down, you can select the line spacing, the margins. All these are the size. If you try to adjust the size, this is what happens. You can leave it at that stage. So I think that is enough. And then we need to include the image of the website here. You come and click on image on this space, and then come to upload. You click on upload here. So when you click on upload, it will require you to select a folder that you've saved that has your data, where you've saved all your data that you're going to use in the website. So you select that folder. I remember I told you that I saved my folder as Digital EH. So you open this folder as Digital EH. This is the data I've collected. So I'll select our symbol. This is our symbol for Digital EH. I can select it for my data I've obtained. I can select this symbol, and then after clicking on it, you click on it and then say click on open. This is what will appear. You try to crop it in order to try to shape it in a way, good looking way. I think that is enough. And then come at the top right of your screen and then click on accept. So the image will automatically come and display itself here. Can adjust, come to appearance here, can come and adjust the size, the width. You can adjust, yeah, can include in as many changes as you want. So far this is the first step that we have done. We have reached to this step, and I cross this step. So we are going to way of how to create this website. So having showed the name of our website here, the symbol, so let's set these headings. You have to now start including it. Data. You are including data here in your website. So what you do, you just click at this where you have stopped, then come on this plus sign here. You click on it and then click on text. This is what they will bring you. Then come on this capital A where you can type your text. So our text, I will say actually communities together as my heading. I may not need it in capital letters. It depends on what you want. I can change its color. Can maybe adjust the size to a reasonable size. I can change its color to black maybe. Anyway, I can even decide to make it bold. So just come and type here, and both at the start and at the end. You include 2 star, small stars. It becomes automatically. You can adjust the size so that it goes on one line like that. Yes, this is so far where we have reached. This is a nice step that we have taken. So website, in a standard website, you need the home, you need about the information, you may need the introductory part, you may need the contact, you may need the address. All these things you can include them here. So we already have our home as this. I can name this as I can leave it as the header. So what I'm going to do, I can name it as my home. This is the home. If you want to name this as your home, this header head, I want to put home here. Just come and click on it. It will bring this. Then you come on header maker and then select section break. So when you select section break, there you come back. After selecting section break, you come and click on this. You click on home, on the buttons, you click on, and then after clicking on home, you can come and click on home, which is already here. When you click on it, you come and say Ash home, which is done. Yes, so this is so far our home. This is our home. So I need to add about, I need to add this one. I don't need it here because it was already automatically saved in the theme that we have selected. So I need to add in my about information, what I do. All this information, I don't need it here. I can delete. So what I do, I come at about here. You click on about, then come at this plus sign and then say text. Then when this text bar comes, you come and click here. Try to enter in your text that you want to say about Digital Edge. So I can type something small. Digital Edge is an organization founded by Mr. William in the United States of America. For the meantime, I can decide to first select, just selected to add in some little information so that I can show you how something is done. I think it is enough. You can come and font. You try to add, just select the color. I can select black. Just select any color of your choice. You can select black. Yes, I think it is okay. It's in black. Please you continue adjusting the settings so that it may fall into where you want it to appear. About, you come and click on about here. The section break will come, and then you click on about button. When you click on the about button, it will bring this. So you come and click on home at about. When it will automatically bring the URL as #about, which is done. It's done. So in between here, we need other buttons. A button of actually, for instance, actually people. Click on the button before where I want the other one to be. I can click, then I come at this plus sign, and then I click on buttons. When you click on buttons, the button will come and no, sorry. So you come at the top at the button box here, you click here, and then click on where you want the button to be, and then click on add button. The first here, I can first delete contact button here, or I can edit. I can decide to edit it, but the simplest thing, let me first delete it. You set to add button, and like I have said, when you add the button, you come and rename this button name as actually people. When you name it as actually people, you come at the URL down here, and then put #. Sorry, I need the # symbol. It's not here on my keyboard. So you come at actually people here. I need to put #. Come at the actually people. You need to put # actually people without space, and then say done. Our button is already on top here, but besides that, we need to include it down here. You see already we still have the contact button, section break, click delete. All what you don't need, you click, you delete it. Delete. Even this, I think we don't need it. Delete. So since I need another section break, I'll come at this plus sign here, and then click on control. I select section break. I think it has come here. You click on section break. You come here at the side, at the before where you want your section break to appear, you click there like this, then you come at the plus sign, you say control. The section break will appear automatically here. So when it appears like that, you need it here as actually people. actually people like this, then say done. So when you say done, you come and then since images there, you come and click on actually people, then you come at this plus sign, you click on image. When you click on image, this is what will bring. You come and click here, it will tell you upload. So you click on upload, it will automatically take you to your folder where you save the data. So it is here, my folder is actually people, it is here. You can select like this image actually chief and then open. So this is what will appear. You can decide to crop it a little bit. Yes, then after that you say accept. So this is actually chief. So in order to make it, to make somebody know that it is actually chief, I just click on it, then come here, I say text, then I come here where I can type my text, and then I say chief. After that I will say done. So I can come, I get this, and then I put it on top here so that somebody can easily know that this is actually chief. I can put it just there. Another thing I can get is, can decide to get actually dishes. Remember I've said you come at the button, come at the button bar here, you click on it, it displays this, then come on add, click, come on add button, then you come on here, you can say actually actually dishes. I would prefer it in capital since it is not a actually dishes. Done. So you come back and click there, then come down here where there is the URL, and then say hash actually dishes. Done. So this is our what we have as our next button, actually dishes. So it has also to come down here after this. So what you do, you come and click on the last item where before where you want the section there, then click there, then come on this plus sign, then select its section break will just automatically appear here. So when it appears, come and rename it here as actually dishes. Remember this is a URL, you don't need any space, so you click there, these are the dishes. So what you're going to do here, have the actually dishes. So what I can do is to get these dishes on YouTube videos. What am I going to do? I can first minimize this, then I come to YouTube. When I come to YouTube, can decide to search dishes. Can decide to search for actually dishes, then search. So let's search that they are saying cooking typical. When you do that, you click on one video here. When you click on that video, when you're going to upload a video in your website, you always apply URL. So what do? Come and right click in the video, since I want to upload this video in my website, come and right click here in the video, and then I will copy URL. Coming back to my website here, come and type and click on Acholi Dishes. Then after that, you click this plus sign and then add, enter video here. So when you save video, you come here and then select which type. It is embed, because I'm going to type, I've copied my URL and I have to paste it here. See the URL I've copied from YouTube. So you say done. So for the for a consecutive, or depending on what information you want to put in your website, these are the steps you do. You can create as many buttons as you can, upload as many YouTube videos, upload as the last section break here, end. So before the end, I can include in my details here. You come and click, so you say text, I can come and say buy, you just put buy Shavanasa Digital Age Uganda. So say done. So this is how our website looks like. See, it has the home, it has the about, it has Acholi People, it has Acholi Dish. One thing you have to take note of, these buttons should match with your URLs. So if it is home, it has to be Ash Home. If it is about, it has to be Ash. If it is Acholi People, it has to be Ash Acholi People. And if it is Acholi Dishes, it has to be Ash Acholi Dishes. So this is how our website will appear. You can come and name this section break, the upper section break. I can name it as start. Yeah, so you see it has named itself. So you can do as many changes as you can, designs, what, the background. Let me change the background a little bit. You see where my cursor is, just click in the white space. When you click in the white space, this is what will come. It will bring background. You can select any color of my choice. Yeah, you can select this color. Can you all see that? And when you select that color, after that, if you know that whatever you want to put in your website, you can do as many animations as you can to make your website colorful. After that, the next thing you have to do is to come here and publish this site. When you come to publish, you need to put the title. You can say Digital Age, and say Digital Age Tutorial. Yes. So after that, I'll come and put a little small description, set the steps. look at the steps you do, you follow to create your own website. Yes, that is enough description. So another thing that you have to select critically is this word here, publish to card.co. Then come and name that people are going to be using. I'll name it as Digitally Edge. Digitally Edge. So you give them time to check if they want, if there is a count, so it is available. This you can say publish. You can say Digitally Edge to distinguish them from the Digitally Edge that have been there. You can say Digitally Edge NASA. Yes. So if it is available, you publish. And then your site will be successfully. So you click on view site to see the site. And this is how your site will look like. When you click on home, you click on about, take you what you included there. You click on Actually People, it has to bring you this, and when you click on, it has to take you to the video. You create your website using card.co. Again, thank you all for your attendance. Thank you for the attention you've given. Please try it out. Where you will get any inconveniences, please try to reach me and then I help you out. Thank you so much. May God bless you.